$189 a month. This is Bob Harrelson with Harrelson Nissan in Rock Hill. Take I-77 south, $679. Rock Hill.
Looking for more energy efficiency at home? The Home Depot's lighting the way. With aisles of next-generation LED bulbs, light fixtures, and ceiling fans. Take the new Holly Spring ceiling fan with 3 LED bulbs that can last for more than 10 years. It's only $79.97. See? You're already saving. Switch to more energy-efficient LED lighting, fixtures, and ceiling fans only at the Home Depot. More safe, more doer. U.S. only.
Mom, are you looking for the coolest summer camp ever for your kids? Check out Aerial Stunt Training Camp at Defy Gravity. It's for kids 8 and up in University City. Your kids can learn amazing new aerial stunts. Wow, that sounds so cool. Details on their June and July camps at Defy Gravity.
What's up, guys? Back. We're in the, where's this, Limbo Falls?
Limdale.
Guess we're hiking to the falls. Man, that's a weird bug.
Chimney view overlooks that way.
We're just going to the falls and doing other spooky things. To check my hat. To the new ticks. My hair.
That's the
Good.
lowest one right there.
Look, this
Y'all wanna
little
look
lady
at it?
died of tick bite.
The falls.
That is
Careful, Maddie.
Well, we can go that way too, but we're gonna go look at the falls first. There's a little bit.
I know.
Just couldn't have gone through the mountain though. And out to eat.
Go say hello. What are you doing? I'm walking. Hey, it's my sister. Where's he going? No. I don't know why they put this right here. Because it's gonna trip somebody. Hey, Pascal, why do you think they put why do you think they put this in there? Why do you think they put this like wood pieces on there? So people don't fall down. It looks like it's trying to trip somebody.
I don't know if it's roots or if it's like just decoration.
It's supposed to be steps, fake steps.
Yeah.
You YouTubing it or something? Yeah.
Yeah.
Get me off of it. Oh my gosh.
We're at the waterfall and now it sounds bigger. Like before it didn't sound as
Oh,
big.
yeah, there's not. That's it.
And we're just gonna basically turn around. Okay, Maddie? So yeah.
I'm looking.
Oh, look down there. That is sketchy. Gotta go fast. Whoop. Switcheroo.
It's not a good idea.
Yeah, this is bigger. The closer we get, the bigger it looks.
Where's the yellow mushroom?
What?
Where's the yellow mushroom? I'm not gonna eat it.
Oh, dang.
Maddie, I
okay?
told you to stop.
Come here, Maddie.
Be careful.
Come on, baby.
It's slippery. You have to walk slow.
Maddie, look.
Level around.
That is so pretty.
Yeah, this is rocks and not safe.
Yeah, you gotta be careful on that one.
Dang. Cool. Bugs everywhere. Stretching. Oh my gosh. That's it, back we all try to get situated. Yeah, all right, go. Ah! What's that here? There's a big hole. There's a big hole. Big hole. Now what? Yeah, there's a log behind me. And yeah, there's a more like rapid falls over there. I'll show you in a second. Right here. Hey, say hi. Hey, you say hi. Smells. And yeah, we'll just stick the wall from here. No, but here. Beautiful. Just got the Yeezys on. Got the Yeezys. Not easy climbing up with Yeezys. Oh, right. But yeah, my yard resist. We also went to Limbo Caverns. I was gonna, well, this ain't fish anymore. I was gonna vlog Limbo Caverns, but I decided not to. It was really dark in there. Also, fun fact about Limbo Caverns. Apparently, if you, like, it's pitch black in there, like, people go there when it's pitch black. And if you stayed in there for 3 months and flew back, you would be completely blind. And if you stay in there and pitch black for 2 weeks, you would be gone insane. So yeah, I'll pick it back up when I get to the bigger falls. No, the pigeons. So yeah, currently we're looking at the pigeons. Fun. Pigeons. Look down there. Pigeons. Yeah, those pigeons walking across there. They were walking down across there. Go for it! No, I did it way too late. Look, all the way up there is people. What the? People. And are we going up there back there? Yeah, but at the same time, no, because it's scary. It's sketchy. Oh, pigeon. I like pigeons. Do you like pigeons? Do you like pigeons? Do you like pigeons?
Do I like pictures? Are you recording me?
Pigeons.
Are you recording me?
Yes. Pigeons.
I don't like pigeons.
Yeah, you do.
I don't like little boys putting cameras in my face either.
Call me?
I don't like little boys putting
Mama.
cameras in my face.
Hey. Tell Mama, May.
What's that?
American black bear and a river otter and then a white-tailed deer and a beaver. You did good.
Say cheese, Maddie. Maddie, say cheese.
It's a vlog.
Mama.
It's a vlog. It's a video.
It's what?
It's a vlog. It's a video. It's not a
Oh,
picture.
well, whatever. All right, let's go.
Yep. Campbell Caverns. And I'll probably take back to going up there, or when we get up there. I don't really know. But yeah. When I see you, okay, now go. Yeah, we're walking back up, and we don't know what we're doing yet. So we could be doing a handful of different things. What? We can do
Start throwing the rocks off the side right
do
there.
a handful of different things. We could be going.
Find a place
to eat. Yeah.
That's the water. Water's gone. Stay over here.
Sketchy. Sketchy.
Snakey can hear you.
Sketchy. Thanks, up the rocks. This is just throwing rocks everywhere. Oh. Jeez. Maddie.
No ticks allowed.
She's throwing rocks. What are you doing, Maddie? Stop.
Is it?
Let's
Wipe your
race.
nose on the hill.
No, I don't want to race.
And
You want to burn more calories?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
You really cold?
It might be a little while before we eat.
Okay, ready? Set, go. Come on.
Alright, ready? Set, go.
gotta go fast. They're gone. Pascal, are they gone forever?
Going forever.
Probably actually isn't a good idea.
Come on,
Oh
Dad.
gosh, bugs, ticks, Maddie.
Cheese.
She said cheese. Every time I point a camera at her, she thinks it's a picture. I pointed at her and said bugs, ticks, Maddie, and she said cheese.
Wait up. It's so cold. Daddy, wait up.
Daddy, what?
I keep them fast.
Gotta go fast.
Yeah, hold that. Come on.
Well, that's a trippy tree up there.
Not going fast. Walking regular.
Trippy. See.
Keep stopping. That's why you can't catch up. Don't run with that stick.
Chill.
Go back.
Chill.
Maddie.
Maddie, you can't go fast.
Why?
Because you gotta go fast. Right? You gotta jump.
Right up with you.
Jump this.
Gotta get her.
That's such a wide jump. Get back to the car. Yo, what's up? I am back, and this is pretty late at night. I don't know how late exactly, but yeah. Anyways, the vlog that you're about to see is my first vlog, and it's when I was in the mountains. I think a month ago. I just never got to uploading it or anything like that, so it's gonna be my first time uploading it. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna try. I'm probably gonna try to do not daily vlogs yet, so kind of a bigger goal if I wanted to start. But I'm gonna try to do vlogs. I'm not sure if it's gonna work out or anything, but you know, I guess I'll try though, because I actually think it's really fun making videos and stuff, and it's something I look forward to trying to do. Yeah. But yeah, you know, I'm still going to school and stuff, so it's gonna be hard to make videos and stuff. So I'll try to make videos whenever I can, I guess you could say, and I'll try to make them entertaining. I'm not sure if it will or not, but I'll do what I can. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna name the channel or anything. I already have a bunch of old videos that when I play games and stuff, that I'm all past that. I still play game stuff, it's fun, but now I just, you know, I just like want to do vlogs and stuff. Yep, that's basically it. Unless this is an outro to my vlog that I recorded like, I don't know, maybe a month or something ago, but I guess this works, I don't know. This might be a future thing I might be doing, or it might just be temporary thing I might just try out, but I don't know. Hopefully it works out and stuff, because I think it's pretty fun doing this. And I would love to do it. I'm not sure if, right now I probably don't have any fan base. No. What did I say? Fan base? Sorry. I mean, I don't have any people that really watch me, but if I ever do, just later on, no matter if this video or anything, just comment on one of my videos, tell me if you think I should do it or something. I don't know, but I guess I'll keep trying to do it, and you just tell me later on if you ever see this video or actually want to comment. But yeah, that's basically it. Hope you at least think this is entertaining since I'm out and about doing things. But yeah, I'm just gonna try it. Basically it. Make a new name for my channel and everything. So I might try this out. But if I do, I don't know what I should name it. I'm probably just gonna name like my name. But I don't know. I probably will though. But yeah, I don't have an outro, so bye.